Welcome to a product video from the Rauch Furniture Group in Freudenberg. Today I would like to introduce our KULMBACH model to you. It's a 3-door sliding door wardrobe. The model is available in 3 car case widths: 203 centimeters, 271 and 361 centimeters. If your customer is asking about the size 316 centimeters, then take it easily out of our Quadra range. All wardrobes are available in 2 heights, 210 centimeters and 229. We offer an extensive selection of car case and front colors, so we find the right color combination for almost every customer request. The wardrobe fronts are available in different versions. In this version, we show it here, is the center door shown in a mirror. Optionally, also available as a complete mirror front. Or with a contrasting color, either the outer doors different from the center door and car case, or the center door in a contrasting color. We also offer glass tops for the center door and as well as the outer doors too. And if you like it very elegant, order the complete front with glass on it. And all these options are also available in high gloss. Or take it quite simply, plain colored. That means same color for car case and front. We are offering a lot of options in the front selection from which the customer can choose. Detailed information and illustrations of the door variants can be found in the sales documents, or your furniture dealer will be happy to assist you in this selection. By the way, the handlebar gives you that little something extra for your dream wardrobe. We have 3 different versions. This shown version in aluminium, that's matte, or in shiny, that's a chrome, and car case colored. It gives your wardrobe the personal touch. You can find suitable accessories using the display or take a look inside of the wardrobe in the showroom. We have here shelves, hanging rails, eventually drawer inserts and a lot of other options for your storage. You can find a complete overview in your sales book. If your customer isn't looking only about a wardrobe, so we have the answer. Additio, our range of chests and matching pieces. And when you're looking about a complete sleeping room, then our solution is called Additio beds. All articles will be available in the same color ranges as your KULMBACH wardrobe. You can get the Additio beds with or without drawers. And on top, your bed has a height of 49 centimeters to get easy in and out. Did you know that Rauch produces its furniture exclusively in Germany? From the tree to the chipboard up to the finished furniture. Everything from a single source. Therefore, we proudly carry all our quality seals, especially this, made in Germany.